The Velox Navigation Helper is a powerful feature which provides an easy overview of all stage positions. A dedicated status window shows the position coordinates of the chuck, microscope, and motorized positioners. The number of status windows can be selected individually. The fence monitor provides a graphical overview of the chuck and aux chuck configurations and indicates the current position. The Navigation Helper, one more feature that makes Velox the most powerful engineering software in the market.